this week's video, we're taking out this and fitting this. So this is the standard stereo in a Peugeot, Boxer, Fiat Ducato, Citroen, Relay, all of the above. It's got nav, it's got Bluetooth connectivity to connect your phone, but it's just a bit rubbish. This has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, is it called? So that's what we're going for. I've vaguely read the instructions. I've got some tools in here. 3 screwdrivers. I think I'll only need 1. And then these removal key thingy-jigs. So I bought 2 packs because, I only need 1. That's why I got the receipt. These are a £5 from your local Halfords. But this is why I got 2 packs, because they don't actually fit. Okay. So you push them all the way down. There you go, until it clicks. Whoa, try not to mash up the fans. This is how you do it, apparently. And then you want to sort of do that. Oh, just like that. I'm throwing them on the floor. So you pop these in and you have to sort of push them out a little bit because the catches sort of hold it in. But that is how you get that out. Magic. And then you just want to unplug everything, basically. It just lifts off like that. Okay, cool. And that's this removed. So we'll pop that on the floor for now. So you try not to lose all your cables. Make sure you've got them all. Okay. Now we have warnings. Don't need those. What we do need is these. So these are instructions in English and looks like German. Verdachtung des niedrigen Ende Kabelbaums. I'd say that's German to me. Yeah, we'll go with German. Right. So we have this kit and this kit. It's clearly not that one because that one doesn't fit. So we'll pop that away. And we might need these. And we'll definitely need this. Oh, and it even comes with a little ditty screwdriver. How nice of them. Right. So apparently you actually fit this. So does this fit with that in place? It does not. So we have to take out that word beginning with B, ending in Ollux. Need me a Torx driver. I've been wondering why my audio has been really loud when I come to edit. Just realised that the volume switch on the microphone receiver was set to +12, not 0. So that'll be why that is. Right, now we can put that down, pop that down. Right, we need this bad boy here. Right, so that will be the antenna. So these should all only go into one place. So that's for the FM AM radio. That's for USB. That just clicks into that. We have a secondary aerial, do we? Right, what else have we got in this little package? So we've got the GPS. What are the chances of that popping up through here somewhere? Slim to none, because it's just going to get... Oh no. Oh. Magical. So there's a little hole behind here that you can feed this through. And then we'll just mount that there somewhere. And hopefully, yeah, there's loads of room for that slack cable to come down in here. And that just fits there nicely. This is the GPS. So we've got to learn as we go here. The 8-pin steering wheel control plug. We'll definitely need that then. So that goes in there. That goes in here. Right, sorry, I'm not really showing you very well here. So we got 8-pin plug here. This goes into the main unit connection. There we go, with a healthy click. And then we've got the antenna. That's if I've got an external amp and subwoofer and all sorts of craziness. Don't think I need it. So we'll pop that back in there. These are 2 USB ports. We've got the one here connected, so we'll put that one in. So this is the one that's just down below here, and that will go in there like that, with a healthy click. So then that one would be there, not needed. That one there. We don't need 2 of these things. That is there, so we don't need that lot. Do we need any of this lot? No. I feel like we're missing things. There's a load here that's not connected. So what have we got? Bluetooth antenna. It's that one. That's that one, apparently. 13. Wi-Fi antenna. And 14 is the Bluetooth antenna, and then 2 is the camera in. So we definitely need those 2. Otherwise we ain't getting no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Don't know why I went all roadman then. We'll just ignore it. And we'll power up the bad boy. We'll just leave it sat there for now. and power on Das Van. Blimey, it's fired up straight away. What? Can't be that easy, surely. We've got sound. There is a reason it sounds rubbish. The aerial up here isn't actually there. I need to sort that out. But we've got CarPlay. That was really easy. So let's finish fitting. Let's turn off the engine. The engine wasn't even on, but that turns off. Nice. So we need to make sure that all wires are out of the way. Just sort of feed them in. Especially that bloody long one. It's not the best fit, is it? But it's not coming back out again. So we'll clean off this surface here. Peel off this bad boy here. There we go. Well, we've taken a little bit of a corner off, but that is that. So we'll put everything away. Once it's installed, you need to set up CAN bus correctly to get the steering wheel controls work, as they say. The procedure is as following. Click the settings in the main menu, go to factory and input password 3368. Takes a bit to boot up, doesn't it? Looks smart though, I'll give it that. So, settings. Where do you reckon that is? Settings. Factory. 3368. And then choose car model. Model XP Fiat Ducato 2015 if it's a high configuration. XP Fiat Ducato 2015. That works. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so it won't pick up that. Oh, it did. So I've got the camera here. Oh, it's really tempting to put that there, but I'm not going to. Pretty happy with that. Right. Don't know what that is. Apparently there's music stored on the device itself. So, rock and roll. Not too happy that it does that. Might be able to pack something in there to stop it rattling. Whoops. But yeah. Google. it hasn't got a signal because it's not connected to CarPlay. But we're there. If you like this one, give us a like and a subscribe and a comment and all of that jazz. Ask me any questions about this. I got it from eBay. It was 150 quid. There's loads of different ones out there. I suggest you send them a picture of what you're starting with, because it does seem like there's just thousands of different ones. So yeah, make sure you send them a picture of what you've got to start with, and they'll tell you which one to buy. It's normally more expensive than the one you found. And yeah, crack on. Nice easy job done. And now we've got Apple CarPlay in Paul the Campervan. So if you like it, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video, where we're going to be starting the electrics build. So we're going to start framing out the area for the electrics, building that little cabinet thing. That's probably going to be a video. Then planning where everything goes, wiring it up, and having full electrics in the van. And then it's the simple case of diesel heater, water pipes, kitchen, seat, shower, waste tank, fresh water tank. Nearly there. See you in the next one. Cheers.